Good morning. Welcome to the Lux Haven Hotel. How may I assist you today?
Good morning. I have a reservation under the name Johnson for a 3-night stay.
Certainly, Mr. Johnson. Let me just pull up your reservation. Here it is. Welcome back. How was your journey?
It was smooth, thank you. I am looking forward to a relaxing stay. Could you confirm the room details for me?
Of course, Mr. Johnson. You have booked one of our deluxe rooms with a king-size bed and a view of the city skyline. Is there anything else you need during your stay?
That sounds perfect. Oh, could you also arrange for a crib to be brought up to the room? We are traveling with our little one.
Certainly, we will have a crib delivered to your room shortly. Do you have any other special requests or preferences?
Yes, could you recommend any good restaurants nearby? We would love to explore the local cuisine.
Absolutely. There are several fantastic dining options within walking distance. One of our favorites is Gourmet Avenue, which offers a variety of international cuisines. Would you like me to make a reservation for you?
That sounds wonderful. Yes, please, if you could make a reservation for dinner tonight around 7 p.m., that would be great.
Consider it done, Mr. Johnson. I will make a reservation for 2 at Gourmet Avenue for 7 p.m. tonight. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
That's all for now, thank you. Oh, one more thing, could you provide some information about the hotel spa services?
Of course. We offer a range of relaxing spa treatments, including massages, facials, and body scrubs. Our spa is open from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily. Would you like me to schedule a treatment for you during your stay?
That sounds like a great idea. Could you book a couples massage for my spouse and me tomorrow afternoon?
Certainly, I will schedule a couples massage for tomorrow afternoon. Is there a specific time that works best for you?
How about around 3 p.m.?
Perfect. I have scheduled the couples massage for 3 p.m. tomorrow. If you need anything else, please don't hesitate to ask.
Thank you so much for your assistance. You have been incredibly helpful.
It's my pleasure, Mr. Johnson. We strive to ensure that our guests have a memorable experience. If you need anything else throughout your stay, just let us know. Enjoy your time at Lux Haven Hotel.
Thank you. We are already feeling pampered.
That's wonderful to hear. If there's anything else we can do to enhance your experience, please don't hesitate to reach out.
Actually, there is one more thing. Do you offer any tours or recommendations for sightseeing in the area?
Absolutely. We have partnerships with local tour operators who offer a variety of excursions. Whether you are interested in exploring historical landmarks, experiencing the local culture, or enjoying outdoor activities, we can arrange something to suit your preferences.
That sounds fantastic. We are particularly interested in learning about the history and culture of the region. Do you have any recommendations for guided tours?
Certainly. One popular option is the historical walking tour of the Old Town, where you will visit landmarks dating back centuries and learn about the rich heritage of the area. We can also arrange visits to museums, art galleries, and cultural centers if you would like a deeper dive into the local culture.
That sounds perfect. Could you book a walking tour for us tomorrow morning?
Of course. I will arrange for a guided walking tour of the Old Town for you tomorrow morning. The tour typically lasts about 2 hours and starts at 10 a.m. Is that suitable for you?
Yes, that works for us. Thank you for organizing that.
It's my pleasure. I will make sure everything is set up for you. If there's anything else you need, please don't hesitate to ask.
Thank you again for your excellent service. We are looking forward to exploring the area and enjoying our stay at the Lux Haven Hotel.
You are very welcome, Mr. Johnson. We are delighted to have you with us. If you have any questions or require assistance during your stay, our concierge team is available around the clock. Enjoy your tour tomorrow and have a wonderful time exploring the city.
Thank you, we are sure we will. Just one last thing before we go, could you help us with transportation arrangements? We are planning to visit a nearby town later this week and we are not familiar with the local transportation options.
Absolutely, I would be happy to assist you with that. There are several transportation options available depending on your preferences. We can arrange for a private car service to take you to your destination, or if you prefer public transportation, I can provide you with information on buses or trains.
Private car service sounds convenient. Could you arrange for a car to take us to the town on Thursday morning and pick us up in the evening?
Certainly, I will arrange for a private car service to be ready for you on Thursday morning. What time would you like to depart?
Let's aim for around 9 a.m., please.
Noted. I will schedule the car to pick you up at 9 a.m. on Thursday. And what time would you like to be picked up in the evening?
Let's say around 6 p.m. Does that sound good?
Absolutely. I will arrange for the car to pick you up at 6 p.m. on Thursday evening. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
That's everything for now. Thank you so much for your help and attention to detail.
It's my pleasure. We want to ensure your stay is as comfortable and enjoyable as possible. If you need anything else or have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Have a fantastic time exploring the town, and we look forward to welcoming you back to the Lux Haven Hotel.
Thank you once again. We will be sure to reach out if we need anything. Have a great day.
You too, Mr. Johnson. Take care and enjoy your day.